to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious Chinese style butter garlic prawns. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 2 kg of prawns, which is deveined, 1 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of corn flour separately for marinating. Now let's add the pepper into the prawns, which is well cleaned. Now let's add sufficient salt and also add about 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and let's mix all the ingredients together and marinate it. Now in a separate bowl, let's add about 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it and keep it aside. Now take the prawns which we marinated earlier one by one and dip it in the corn flour mixture. Coat it well on all sides and keep it aside. Now similarly, repeat the same process with all the prawns. Coat it well with the corn flour mixture and keep it aside. Now let's start preparing the frying process. Let's heat oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start frying the prawns which we have coated earlier. This corn flour mixture gives a nice crispy coating to the prawns. You can see that our prawns is nice and crispy. Now let's stir fry it. We need some butter, about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed, 4 green chilies which is chopped, a handful of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's heat a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now when the butter melts, let's add the crushed garlic, about 10 numbers. Also add the 4 green chilies which is chopped. Now let's add the curry leaves, about 1 handful of curry leaves. This gives a nice flavor to this dish. Now stir fry till the garlic is nice and golden brown. Now you can see that our garlic cloves are nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add the fried prawns into the garlic mixture and mix it well. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. For flavor, you can alter the sugar according to your taste. At this stage, let's add 1 handful of chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. This fish sauce is readily available in departmental stores. This gives a nice flavor to this dish. This is a nice starter recipe. You can serve it with the fried rice or noodles. So do try this delicious recipe. So that's it friends, our delicious Chinese style butter garlic prawns is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.